producers who brought you Frost Nixon and Benji, acquitted, comes a film about the man America hated and his greatest secret.
I'd like to ask you right now about the 18.5-minute gap in the tapes.
Oh yes, the gap in the tapes. Checkers? I don't recall anything about that. Sheldon the Sheep is Richard Nixon.
Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Checkers.
Dog Whisperer. And Sammy Davis Sheep Jr. as David Frost.
You've explained how you got caught up in this thing. You've explained your motives. I don't want to quibble about any of that. But just coming to the substance, would you go further than mistakes? The word that seems not enough for people?
Ah, mistakes.
Yes.
Yeah. I need to go walkies. Richard Nixon, Dog Whisperer. Coming soon to a Kennel Plaza 6 near you. Well, when the president's dog does it, that means it is not illegal.